Hello everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video on the Logitech C920 HD Pro webcam. For whatever reason, I could not get mine to work for the life of me. Ever since I upgraded to Windows 10, this is about 6 months ago, and I just started using it again due to the COVID-19 pandemic or whatever you want to call it. Anyways, I needed to use my webcam, couldn't get it to work, couldn't figure out what was happening. I tried everything under the sun, uninstalling, reinstalling, software update, everything I could think of. This was the only thing that actually worked for me. So I went straight to Device Manager, which you can do just by searching in your settings, search Device Manager, bada bing, bada boom. And I had other devices here, it's not there anymore, but it was there. Then I clicked update, I'll click update driver, browse my computer for the driver software I want to, but it was in the other devices tab, not in the camera settings. Wherever your webcam is, click on that. It might be in imaging devices, whatever it is. I then click let me pick from a list of available devices. I did USB video device, install the drivers, which I already have installed, and that worked for me. For whatever reason, I don't know why, but that's all I did. That's all I did, and it worked. And it's awesome. As you can see, it's working. If that didn't work for you, I'll show you everything else I did in the hopes that maybe that will work for you. So another thing you can do is go to settings, right? Go to privacy. And for whatever reason, this isn't enabled in default Windows 10, which is stupid. But you have to enable this to make sure you allow your camera access to the actual site. Another thing you can do is try and unplug your webcam and plug it into one of the different USB ports, USB 2 to USB 3. Some people say that makes a difference. I haven't seen any noticeable difference. The new software versus the old software. I'm using the Logitech Capture, which is the new software versus the old software that came with the webcam. Both work for me. So that's that. You can uninstall, reinstall the drivers. Try that. You can update the drivers. To uninstall and reinstall, all you have to do is go to Device Manager, right click on it, uninstall, and then reinstall to just restart your computer and then plug in your webcam, and it should pull them directly because there's actually no drivers for this webcam. Not on the Logitech site. You actually have to physically, like in Windows 10 will automatically pick it up and then it'll download it. So that's all I have to do for the drivers. I'll make sure you download the new software as well. That's from the Logitech website. But yeah, this is what actually worked for me. I looked at so many different videos, so many different threads. I tried everything I could think of, but this is what worked. I'll be sure to post the link in the description. But this is crazy times we're living in. Logitech support, I couldn't even get a hold of them. They said they're only operating by email, and I was like, great. Well, they'll get to me before Christmas, I'm sure. So, yeah, so this worked great. I just wanted to post this in case anyone else is having this problem. And it's a perfectly good webcam, and it works great. So I was like, just trying to figure out, and it was working 6 months ago, so I was just, But this is for everyone that had trouble with it. If it helped you out, just like the video, share it with your friends, whoever having trouble, because this was a pain in the butt. But that's all I have to say. Yeah, thanks guys. Later.